Have you ever pondered what genuinely creates a bond between partners? Unforgettable. It's not simply the physical aspects, but also a deeper knowledge of each other's wants and needs. Today, we're delving into the art of intimate connection, specifically 5 important positions that can increase your partner's enjoyment and strengthen your bond. Welcome. As spiritual warriors, we will learn how to cultivate inner power and unshakable tenacity. We meet life's obstacles with courage and resilience, constantly striving to transcend our limitations and reach new heights. Today, we'll look at how to bring that same power and determination into the bedroom so that both partners can enjoy themselves and realize their full potential. Let's start with a simple but powerful question. How can you make sure your lover appreciates every intimate encounter with you? Spooning is a particularly personal and pleasant position. In this position, both parties are lying on their sides, with the guy behind the lady. This enables close touch, stimulating the G-spot while also providing simple access to the clitoris. This dual stimulation can considerably increase your partner's pleasure and bring you closer together. Next, let's look at 5 occupations that many people choose and where inferiority is not tolerated. Resolution is formed and willpower becomes indestructible. Prepare to be inspired, encouraged, and challenged to realize your full potential. Ladies with a lot of buttocks typically have small breasts, whereas ladies with enormous breasts have small buttocks. Red-headed women are more prone to engage in frequent sexual interactions. Spooning is one of the finest positions for stimulating a girl's G-spot because the lower wall of the vagina contains many nerve endings, and the penis is in close touch with them. In addition, you can stimulate the clitoris and G-spot doggy style. Most English people between the ages of 35 and 44 prefer this position, in which the woman gets down on all fours and the man penetrates her vaginally from behind while holding her by the hips, according to a recent survey by experts in the field. It's an excellent position for the woman because it provides her complete control, allowing her to modify her range of motion to find the angle that brings her the most pleasure. 8 out of 10 women enjoy being insulted and insulting their partner during sex. They believe it thrills them and makes the activity more thrilling. Some women are born with a tiny vagina or even without one. This phenomenon affects around 1 in every 5,000 persons. Engaging in sexual intercourse while standing can improve your longevity and expedite the arrival of your partner. A woman can achieve orgasm in 4 minutes of good work, but it may take 20 minutes during intercourse with luck. Women who always give 0 are unfaithful to their partners. I would like to take a moment to interact with you. If you find this content useful and wish to strengthen your intimate relationships, please like this video. Your support allows me to publish more free stuff like this. Also, I'd want to hear your ideas and experiences. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or insights about improving closeness in your relationships. Let's build a community where we can learn and grow together, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers, and with your help, we can do this together. Subscribe to remain up to speed on all of our current content, which will help you grow inner strength and deeper relationships in all aspects of your life. Thank you for taking part in this trip. Knowing your partner's weak places helps you to experiment with novel forms of stimulation, potentially leading to faster and stronger ejaculation. Every person has unique preferences and sensitivities, So knowing what works best for your girl can make a big difference in her sexual enjoyment. Knowing your partner's weak points can also help build your emotional connection and closeness. Open and honest conversation about likes and dislikes in the bedroom can strengthen trust and bonding between you, leading to more happiness by understanding your girl's weak points. You can also express your interest and concern for her pleasure. Showing interest in her sexual happiness and a willingness to try new forms of stimulation can make her feel appreciated and cherished, increasing her desire and excitement. Men experience increased sexual arousal when they wake up in the morning after fingers and vibrators. Candles are the most commonly utilized phallic devices among women. Oral fantasies are the most common among girls under the age of 25. According to several international studies, missionary sex is the most commonly performed sexual position among heterosexual couples globally. According to a recent survey performed in the United Kingdom, women prefer this position because it suggests closeness and intimacy, as well as the sensation that their partner's body is covering theirs rather than crushing them. The best thing is that sexology specialists regard the missionary position as one of the best for women to achieve orgasm, as long as it is done with the goal of being as diagonal as possible to enhance clitoral stimulation. Women who have difficulty feeling orgasms have shorter clitorises than the usual, which causes them to be further away from the vaginal opening and more difficult to stimulate during penetrative sex beyond 50. Some men notice changes in their sexuality and believe that wonderful sex has ended, although this is not totally accurate. With the correct information and ingenuity, these ideas vanish. The cougar position, in which the woman is on top of the guy, gives women more control over their orgasms. The lady can move as quickly or slowly as she wants and control the depth of entry. The woman's position on top also allows her easy access to her clitoris, which she can stimulate with her hands or by forming an optimal friction angle on the man's body to achieve orgasm more quickly. This stance places the lady at the center of attention, allowing her to dictate the pace. The man has direct access to caress her breasts, which stimulates another female erogenous zone. 80% of women marry the man who is actually ready, rather than the one they love, which is why so many marriages are unhappy. An excellent suggestion before anal intercourse is to clean the area with water and neutral soap and empty the intestines with an enema. A woman's sexual desire is more adaptable than a man's. Girls who have sex at least once a week appear happier, more feminine, and more attractive. Women, on average, are drawn to older males because it conveys a feeling of experience and security. The alignment technique is one of the postures that allows women to achieve orgasm faster through intensive clitoral stimulation. To put it into reality, consider the traditional missionary position, but with a twist that will certainly make a difference. The woman should maintain her legs together while the guy keeps his apart. This results in increased pressure during penetration and more physical touch for the lady. It also stimulates the man's penis, providing her with incredible pleasure and making it easier for her to reach climax and increase. Sensations. There is nothing better than the male squeezing the woman's hips into him. When a woman is attracted to a man, she moistens her lips with her tongue, making them brighter and more appealing. Because they want to see another man delighted by their actions, women who frequently engage in oral sex are unfaithful to their partners. Life is full of mysteries and secrets, so continue to explore and uncover. Due to repetitive movements and constant friction, Some people may experience an orgasm while exercising. Mature women over 40 find it easier to have orgasms than those under 40. Women over 40 are more likely to initiate a kiss prior to intercourse, but younger women are more likely to initiate a kiss post-sex. The screw position is another option for women who want to have more pleasure during sexual relationships. In this position, the guy has complete control over the penetration movements, while the lady must maintain her legs lifted and will have much more gratifying stimulation. The woman should lie on her back on the bed, legs entirely stretched upwards and crossed over one another. The man should hold her legs by the ankles to help her maintain them stretched the entire time. Once in this position, penetration happens, and the male finds it extremely stimulating, making it ideal for experiencing an awesome synchronized orgasm. When a man develops feelings for a woman and falls in love with her, he is unable to refrain from discussing her with his friends. If a man licks a woman's vagina and plays with her nipples, it indicates that he actually cares about when a woman is attracted to a man. She tends to talk in a lower tone than usual. Prior to being penetrated, many women enjoy having their breasts caressed. Perform this action the next time you are in the company of a woman, and you will observe the extent to which she admires you. Additionally, some of them enjoy oral sex as foreplay. Although the most effective weapon in the conflict between men and women is women's sexuality, a man's left hand is his best ally in that situation, because it is the left hand that those with the most expertise are most adept at using. Understanding your partner's weak points is critical for developing an intimate and meaningful relationship. Knowing these aspects about female ejaculation can provide for a more intense and satisfying experience for both partners on the battlefield of life. Only those with an unshakable spirit will prevail. We, the warriors of masculine monasticism, refuse to give in to adversity and embrace each challenge as an opportunity to grow and strengthen ourselves, remembering that each moment of struggle is an opportunity to demonstrate our resilience and determination. So let us rise, brothers and sisters, and continue forward with courage and conviction, because no obstacle is too great for us to overcome together. Onward to greatness, and thus we end our trip together. As we conclude this video, it has been a pleasure to share these Stoicism insights with you and demonstrate how we might apply them in our daily lives. I hope you found these suggestions useful for improving intimate relationships with your partner. Remember, true strength is mutual, understanding and honest communication. If you loved the content, please like and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring videos. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. I adore hearing from you. Thank you for your continued support. Together, we can attain our target of 10,000 subscribers and create a strong, connected community. Until the next video, remain strong and strive for the best. See you next time.